Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable photo memories notifications on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we should open your settings, then scroll down and find notifications and tap on it. Then here we need to find our Photos app. To find it we should scroll down. When we found the photos, we should tap on it. Here we can turn off notifications of memories, shared albums, and sharing suggestions. For example, we wanna turn off memories notifications. Tap on it. Here we need to tap on this circle to turn off these notifications. And go back. Also, we can do the same with shared albums and sharing suggestions. That's all. It was how to turn off iPhone photo memories notifications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would love if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.